What up, folks? I am Ultrazilla, and today we are building the Bandai entry grade Ultraman Zero, made in Japan. How about that? Very cool. You're coming to you from the Ultrazilla kitchen table. Long time no kitchen table. But yeah, this is a kit that you build with your hands. It says it right there. Build the Ultraman Zero with your hands. Now, this is a static model, you know, just a little statuette once it's done. But this is under 10 bucks. And that's why I kind of wanted to check out one of these entry grade kits. I have been doing more kits. It actually says ages 3+. So yeah, interesting. So maybe I should have Ultrazilla Jr. do it. He's watching TV though. Look, it says kids. Bandai Hobby Site Kids. Okay, so I'm a little bit older than a kid, but we're gonna give this a go anyway and see what I think. I don't think I'm speed building this, so let's just crack it open and get going. You know, Ultraman Zero is like probably my all-time favorite Ultraman. So this, for me, was a pretty perfect kit to want to do. Check out the line. Stay there. So we got one set of runners. You got some stickers there. And two more in one baggie. Let's check it out. See some legs. Some other stuff. And then some gray plastic with the stickers. Like so. I did see a video where I think they said that maybe this might be a little softer, these runners. Let's see, that they'll come off a little bit easier. Where'd it go? Yeah, it's pretty clean. I gotta say, it's pretty clean. So let's do that. All right, let's not do that actually, because what if I get lost? So how to assemble? Find, remove, build, finish. Okay. And let's open it up. See what we got. So B9, 8. I lied. Let's make this a speed build after all, because this actually took me a bit longer than I expected. Okay, let's talk here. The stickers on the sheet are reversed with the way they're supposed to go. That is not cool. So there we go. And here's the kit all finished. Not bad. Not bad. Let me say this about the build, because that's what we are here to talk about. It's just the build and not the actual figure. The build is interesting. It's, I don't know what 3-year-olds are going to be able to do this. I don't know why it says for 3-year-olds. That is crazy. Because this is very interesting in the way it comes together. There is some, you know, kind of figuring out to do. Now, these things don't come, the pieces don't come out of the runners as easy. They're easy, but not like super easy. I still would have preferred using my nippers. I decided not to because I wanted to do it like it said with your hands. But definitely felt like you could have used it, cleaned it up a little bit, and didn't get all the little sprue marks and stuff. But otherwise, this is more like a puzzle. Like a 3D puzzle than a model kit. That's what I really want to say. It's like a 3D puzzle. Because the way the pieces fit into each other, it's interesting and you gotta figure it out. And then like the stickers don't always want to cooperate. Misaligning themselves, or I'm misaligning them. I don't know. So stickering is never fun, but it's not so bad. And then you got this color timer in here, but you can see this red sticker is already getting a little messed up. This might be something you'd want to paint, I think. So yeah, all right, that's it. I'm gonna end it right there. Stay tuned for my review, and there you go.